Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video about braids over my daughter's locks. So I gave in and I was like, I'm not gonna let anybody else do that because these locks are my babies and she's my baby, and so hey, I'm gonna do the job. So I cannot braid. I can't. This is my second time trying to do braids, period. Remember, you see that? This is not a tutorial. I'm gonna repeat that throughout the video. But I'm just trying to tuck the hair, you know, over the locks and just cover it up. That's all I was doing. But I can say this, I did not use any product, oil and water. Oil and water. I know that if you use jam and all that stuff and the edge control, it'll be slick and smooth, but for her, she's a kid, you know, it worked out great. So I just kept going. And since she is into learning about her hair, I made her braid it all the way down to the end because I was not about to do that. This is not the first time I braided her hair, but it is the first time I put braids over her locks. But again, I know that the knotless braids are in. I don't know how to do all that stuff. I was just trying to grip the hair over the locks, okay? That's it. So honestly, we just kept going and we completed this mission. And she wore them for 3 weeks only. And here are the final results. And as you can tell, she is a satisfied little girl. Thank you guys so much for watching.